Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can use formulas in Microsoft Excel. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, and if you are working in any organization as a professional person, especially you are working in any school or in which you have to make the Excel sheets, or you are working in a bank in which you have to deal with multiple Excel sheets or workbooks, and you have to use the formulas. So this could be a very good video for you and could be helpful for you. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start, friend. Friend, I have already opened Excel sheet in which I have put some dummy data, like for example student. Just assume that it is the data of some student John, Mary and Joseph, and their marks in the English, math and science have been mentioned here. Okay, now friend, we want to use some formulas. So friend, basically formulas are based on the basic arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiply and divide. These are the very basic arithmetic operations on which every formula is based on. So first of all, we have to see that how we can use different formulas. First of all, we have to see that how we can use the summation or plus formula. For example, like if you want to use the sum here, so how you can use, like you have to enter the equal to sign, then sum, and then you have to select here from here and then close the bracket like that. Okay, so you can see it has sum all the number from 50, 55 and then 60. This is the normal formula. Also you can use like that, at equal to, then open bracket, okay, then sum this, okay, then plus and then this, and then close the bracket. Okay, so now we have used the plus sign. Then we can, how we can use the minus sign, like open bracket, then select this, minus and then this. Okay, so this is the minus sign. Okay, now equal to sign, open bracket, multiply, how we can use, select this, then multiply this with this. This is the multiply sign. Then how we can use the divide, open bracket, okay, then this, then forward slash and then this, and then close the bracket. Okay, so friend, you see that we have used all the four arithmetic operations: plus, minus, multiply and then divide. Okay, also there are some other formulas are also available. For example, you can use the very basic formula of like here you can use the auto sum. These are the formulas which are built in available. For example, you can use the sum formula like that. Okay, see, it has sum. Now you can use the average formula like that. For example, you just need to select and use the average. Okay, so it shows you the average. Then you can use, for example, you want to find the maximum from here. Okay, so it has shown you 90 is the maximum. Also, if you want to use the minimum, okay, so minimum formula is also there. So this it is showing you. So in that way, friend, you can use different formulas like arithmetic operation, plus, minus, multiply, divide, sum, average, minimum, maximum. Other formulas are also available which you can use from here. For example, by these are the other formulas which you can use. Standard deviation is there, sin is also there. So there are also some other operations and other formulas are also available. So friend, by using these formulas you can use comprehensive Excel sheets, and you can use these formulas as per your need and as per your requirement. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.